Welcome back,
guys?
sir. All systems for gaming will be prepared in a few minutes. For now, feel free to grab a cup of coffee and have a good day.
All right, guys, what is going on? As you see, my setup's a little different tonight. It's pretty late, and I just wanted to get this contest going for you guys. And yeah, so um, where to start? Let's see. So we hit the subscriber mark. Obviously, you guys already know that. A couple things I just wanted to go over. I am using the new Sony EV Z10. Which is what's mounted up there. As you can see, the light's a lot cooler. I need to get a couple lenses though. But yeah, so I went out and bought another cam link because I haven't been able to show you guys yet. But on this computer, I'm going to be able to switch different cameras, and that's all from this computer. But I wanted to be able to do that with the streaming setup over here. And as it's a laptop, I have to figure something else out because I found out that my live streams were doing 720 because I was using webcams for my cameras on my Streamlabs. So with this, I can do up to 4K 30, but that laptop isn't super top notch. I mean, it's pretty good, but it's not great. So I'll probably be streaming in at least 1080p. So my streams, that's just a quick little update for my streams. And yeah, so like I said, you guys are on the new Sony ZV ZVE10. And as you guys heard that little intro thing, I usually do that at the beginning of all my streams. And the lights behind me, the ones up here, are reactive to your guys' comments or new subscribers and stuff like that. Like a new subscriber will get this sound real quick right here.
For me, I really like corn.
What do you like about corn?
It's corn! A good corn Vietnam. It has the juice.
But anyway, so they do different things for different things, and I already have it all set up. So anyways, let's get into this drawing. That's what today is all about. Thank you guys so much for making this community for me. It's starting to build, and I also wanted to give out a shout out to the Facebook group Gundam Builders USA. There's also a Discord channel, and the Discord channel will be linked in the description below. And yeah, so let's switch over to my screen capture, and we are going to do the giveaway, guys. Alrighty. So we're up here. I already got everything filled in. So let's start the giveaway. So how I'm going to do it is it's going to be the first prize is the $100. And don't mind all the pop-ups and stuff that are coming up, but the first prize is going to be the $100 new type gift card, and then the second prize will be the pink Eternal Haro. So yeah, if you guys didn't see in the last one, but anyways, let's go, and here we go. All right, Daniel Kim. All right. Yeah, so well, you won the the first $100 gift card. Congratulations, bro. Thank you so much for the comment and everything. So, yeah. And let's pick another winner for the second prize. And here we go. JD Padilla Johnson. Had to throw some extra cool stuff in here, guys, now that you guys can hear all this stuff. So right on, guys. Those are our winners. Those are our winners for today. I appreciate you guys so much for becoming a part of this community. And this video will go out tomorrow, or I will get in contact with you guys through email, and we'll figure that out. So yeah, this week's video is going to be cut pretty short because I ran out of time. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for everything. And I will be doing my streams probably starting this Sunday again. So I'll pick up right where we left off on the streams. Congratulations, guys. I will be sending you your guys' info to get in contact with me. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button down below and tick that bell so you get notifications when my next video goes live. And also, leave a comment on this video, guys, because I'm thinking about future raffles, and I would like to have your guys' ideas on it. So, like what you guys would like to see in our raffles here on this group. So, yeah, and then next week, I think I'm going to do some airbrushing tutorials and stuff like that. So, yeah, stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Rebel Spartan, out.